Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Umayya Nabiha. I'm from class 1A. My name 240X0152211. I want to explain the psychological history of the Lippers family. The Lipper family psychological history is a rich tapestry woven from the experience of its members across generations. Their journey reflects the complexity of human emotion, resilience, and the impact of societal change on mental health. Understanding their story offers valuable insight into how family navigate challenge and adapt to evolving circumstances. The Lipper family began in early 90s with John and Mary Lipper, who lived in a small rural town. Facing significant economic hardship, they instill value of hard work and perseverance in their children. This foundational value will serve as a guiding principle for the family as they face various challenges throughout their lives. John and Mary emphasize the importance of education, believing it to be a pathway to better life. They encourage their children to pursue academic excellence, fostering a sense of ambition and self-worth. This focus on education not only profit the children with knowledge but also instill in them the belief that they could overcome obstacles through determination and hard work. The Great Depression profoundly impacted the Lipper family, forcing them to adapt to severe economic challenges. This period taught them the importance of resourcefulness and community support. The family learned to rely on one another and their neighbors, creating a strong support network that would serve them well in the years to come. The psychological effect of this hardship instilled a sense of unity and determination that would define the family of generation. To communicate mechanism to navigate the stress of their experience, the Lipper family developed various coping mechanisms. Humor became a vital tool for alleviating tension, while storytelling allowed family members to process their emotion and share their experience. These strategies not only help them deal with immediate challenge but also reinforce their familial bond, creating a sense of belonging and support. As the war plunged into World War II, the Lipper family faced new challenges. Several members enlisted in the military, and the psychological toll of war experience created lasting effect on their mental health. The uncertainty and fear surrounding their loved ones' safety added to emotional strain, leading to heightened anxiety and stress within the family. The return of the veterans brought relief and new challenges. The psychological scars of combat, including PTSD, affect family dynamic. The Leapers learn to cope with these challenges through open discussion and emotional support. Emphasizing the importance of family bonds, they recognize that healing will require patience, understanding, and they commit to supporting one another through the process. As the Lipper family moved to subsequent generation, the concept of generational trauma became evident. The psychological scars from war and hardship were passed down, influencing the mental health of future family members. Children of the war veterans often struggle with anxiety and depression, grappling with the legacy of their parents' experience. This realization prompted the family to address their issue openly, seeking way to break the cycle of trauma. In the 1960s, the field of psychology began to gain prominence, and the Lipper family became increasingly aware to psychological theory and practice that could aid in understanding their experience. This newfound awareness encouraged family members to explore their mental health and seek professional help when needed. marking a significant shift in their approach to emotional well-being. The family began to break the stigma surrounding mental health issues, recognizing that seeking help was a sign of strength. This shift allowed for more open discussion about emotional struggle and the importance of mental well-being. By fostering an environment where mental health could be openly discussed, the Leaper family created a culture of support and understanding. Therapy emerged as a significant aspect of the Leaper family approach to mental health. Members began seeking counseling to address personal and family issues, recognizing the value of professional support in navigating emotional challenges. This shift marked a turning point in the family understanding of mental health, emphasizing the importance of self-care and emotional well-being. The evolving role of women in society during 1970s and 1980s had a profound impact on the Leaper family. Female members pursue education and career, challenging traditional gender roles and contributing to a more egalitarian family dynamic. This empowerment allows women in the family to advocate for mental health awareness, using their voice to promote understanding and support within their community. Different parenting styles emerge within the Liver family, with some members adopting authoritative approach that foster independence and self-esteem in their children. This nurturing environment encourages children to express themselves and develop their identity, leading to healthier emotional development. The emphasis on positive reinforcement and open communication help create a generation that value emotional intelligence and resilience. Open communication became a cornerstone of the Leper family interaction. Family members felt safe expressing their feelings, which strengthened their emotional connection. Regular family meetings and discussion about mental health foster an atmosphere of trust and support, allowing individuals to share their struggle and triumph without fear of judgment. Cultural culture and religious beliefs play a significant role in shaping the Leper family views of mental health. Their strong community ties provide a support system that reinforces their value and beliefs. The family often participate in community events, which help them maintain a sense of belonging and identity, further enhancing their emotional well-being. The rise of technology brought both advantages and challenges of the Leaper family. While it facilitated communication and connection, it also introduced risks such as social isolation and increased anxiety. Family introduced risks such as family members learn to navigate these challenges by setting boundaries around technology use, practicing face-to-face interaction, and fostering meaningful connection. Association evolved, the Leaper family faced new pressure, including the impact of social media and economic instability. They adapt their coping strategy to manage this stressor, emphasizing the importance of self-care and mental health awareness. By staying informed about contemporary issues, the family remain resilient in the face of modern challenges. Some members of the Leaper family became passionate advocates for mental health awareness. They work to promote education and research within their community, helping others understand and address mental health issues. Their effort contribute to a broader cultural shift towards acceptance and support for mental health challenges. Education about mental health became a priority for the Leaper family. They attended workshops and seminars to learn more about psychology, well-being, and effective coping strategies. This commitment to education empowered family members to support one and one another and foster a culture of understanding and empathy. The Liver family experienced significant loss, including the death of beloved family members. They learned to cope with grief, to share memories, ritual, and support from one another. This collective grieving process helped them honor their loved ones while also reinforcing their emotional bonds. Throughout their history, the Liver family demonstrated remarkable resilience in the face of adversity. Each challenge became an opportunity for growth, reinforcing their belief in perseverance and the importance of family support. The resilience became a defining characteristic of the family, inspiring future generations to face their own challenges and courage. Education continued to be a vital component of the Liber family identity. As members pursued higher education, they gained new perspective on mental health and well-being. The emphasis on lifelong learning fostered a culture of curiosity and growth, encouraging individuals to seek knowledge and understanding. Building story interpersonal relationship was essential to the Lip family well-being. They value social connection and made time for family gathering, which strengthened their bonds. This gathering provided space for sharing experience, celebrating achievement, and supporting one another through difficult times. Associatal times involve the connection to higher power family of adapt purpose, to new them navigate life's chance with a sense of hope and meaning. As awareness of mental health grew, the Lepers family recognized the importance of addressing this issue in children. They implement appropriate discussion about emotion and mental well-being, ensuring that younger generation self-equipped to handle their feelings. This proactive approach fosters emotional intelligence and resilience from an early age. Economic fluctuation continued to affect the Leper family, influencing their mental health and well-being. Job loss and financial instability created stress, but the family's strong support system helped them navigate this challenge. They learned to adapt their coping strategies, emphasizing the importance of financial literacy and planning. Humor remained a vital coping mechanism for the Liver family throughout their history. They used laughter to diffuse tension and create a positive atmosphere, even in challenging times. Their shared sense of humor strengthened their bonds and provided a sense of relief during difficult moments. As the family navigated various challenges, they learned the importance of setting healthy boundaries. This practice allow them to maintain individual identities while fostering strong relationship. By respecting each other's needs and limits, the Lip family create a supportive environment that encourage personal growth. Role models within the Liver family play a significant role in shaping attitude toward mental health. Family members who openly discuss their struggle and sought help inspired others to do the same. The psychological history of the Liber family illustrates the profound impact of experience, value, and societal change of mental health. The story is one of resilience, growth, and importance community support. By understanding their journey, we gain valuable insight into the complexity of mental health and the power of family bonds in overcoming adversity. Uh, that's all my presentation. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.